Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Life Hacks with GbagaunMuncher. So on today's episode, I'll be teaching something very interesting: how to catch a cheating partner on social media. Interesting, yeah? So there are two methods to this basically. The first method is if you have physical access to the person's phone. If you have physical access to the person's phone, just pick up the person's phone and enter the universal password code, which is 772172, and boom, the person's phone is unlocked. You can do your research and all of that. Now the other option, which is more technical, you have to wait from when times are changing from AM to PM or from PM to AM. This is because these are when server times are being reset. Now clone the person's number on your phone. Save the person's number as another name on your phone. Now dial *722 * the person's number *1#. Now after dialing this, sending it, it brings up an option where you need to put in your email address, just like when you're trying to subscribe for data. Now put in your email address, because this is where the person's data will be sent to. After putting your email address, then you send it. Now you need to choose from a list of options, maybe WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Different numbers have been assigned to it. So if, for example, if you choose Instagram, maybe 2, you put 2, then you put 1 after it. The essence of the 1 is so that it's activated. Now after putting this, you send it, then it should bring up an option where you need to put in the person's handle. Now once you put in the person's handle, you press send and you wait for about 10 seconds. You have to do all of this within like 45 minutes. Now the most important part of this is you need to get yourself like 2 pills of Panadol. Erase every nonsense I've said.
Oh my god.
Drink milk and mind your business.
Don't angry me.
Yeah, I know you're angry, but you know you need to stop being an apricot trying to catch a cheating partner. You do yourself more harm than good. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next episode of Life Hacks.
Can you fuck off?
Bye bye.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.